Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Morning. How are you today? That's awesome. Today we have something very special prepared for you. Our talented and great students have been working so hard to perform an English drama titled Malin Kundang.
The story comes from one of Indonesia's most well-known folk tales about a boy who forgets his humble beginnings and even his own mother after becoming rich and powerful. The story teaches us the importance of love, gratitude, and respect for our parents, no matter how successful we become.
Before we begin, let's meet our amazing kids. When I call their names, please give them applause. As narrator, Nur Astuti.
As Malin Kundang, Muhammad Aziz.
As mother, Jahya Alfa.
As Amina, Amrina Rasada.
As Joko, Azali Afandi.
As wife, Nadine Sausan Sonia.
And of course, our wonderful villagers, Raisa and Quinsa. Enjoy the show!
Village on the coast of West Sumatra lived a widow and her son, Mali Bunda. They were poor but full of love and hope.
Down by the sea, we live so free. We work each day for our family. So we are full. We smile and say, we love, we find our way.
Malik's helping his mom again. He's such a good boy, and I love his smiling man. After a morning by the sea, Malik and his mother touched their small heart. Life is not easy, but we never stop working and hoping for better days. Please finish here?
Sure, Mom. I will finish that first.
Well, you know how it is. If I don't work, we cannot live. You've got such stage, my friend, and your son is a good one. Helena, he's all I've got. All I've got. Come get your pages, only one coin. Press this, madam. Oh no, I have only got one way. Here, take mine. Come, Alice need to eat. I'll pay you back someday. Don't be silly. Your friend doesn't keep score. Every afternoon, when the sun began to sink and the sky turned golden, Colin and his best friend Choco would sit by the sea, watching birds rolling. The sound of the ocean was calm, but they heard but quite tired of dreams of traveling far beyond the horizon, of escaping poverty and finding a better life.
Mother, do you ever wonder what's out there? We are rich.
All the time. One day, I will sail away and make money, buy my real house.
Oh, Mother, I believe in you. Just remember us when you wish.
I promise I will never forget what I came for.
Everyone, raise your hand!
He decided to leave his village behind. The villagers came, bringing prayers and tears to wish him a safe journey.
Thank you, Molly. Bring back good fortune. Stay careful, Molly. My dear son, may God protect you.
I promise, Mom. I will come back soon.
Be careful, Molly. This can be kind and cruel.
Many years went by. Molly's hard work brought him great fortune, and he married a noble woman from far away land. Yet, with his hope and pride, darkness day slowly conquers his humble heart.
Molly, you are never suspected in an indicated death.
Harper's Basil. I'm not a professional's son anymore.
And soon, everyone will know our names. People will go when they see us, just as they should.
One bright morning, a transient appeared on the horizon. Its white fell shining under the sun. The villagers gazed amazement. Never before had such recognition seeped into their small world. Hearing this, Molly's mother dropped everything she was doing. Her heart raced and tears filled her eyes. Amina and Joko ran beside her as they hurried toward her, followed by curious villagers. Mommy loves me, Mommy loves me, It's Evelyn, your mother. Your mother? That's so bigger. Are you serious?
Be quiet, don't embarrass me in front of everyone.
She looks nothing like you. Look at her hand, dirty and rough. There is no way she's your mother.
My mother? No, my mother's longer. It's just a bigger.
Colin, how could you say that? Look at me, I'm your mother. How could he deny his own mother? Colin, Fenga, she raised you up.
She's crazy, but get her out of here.
Get away! Don't touch my husband.
Heartbroken and humility, that woman would no longer find her fears. See, I thought first that would change everything. Oh God, it is truly my son. Terminate your justice wrong. Turn him to stone in his pride. Stop it! This can't be real! Someone do something, please! No, Colin! What's happening to you?
Forgive me, Mother, for all I have done. Your tears still fall, my time is done. Forever, bound dead at the time. The stone will be till the end of the time.
And the story of Maling Kundan, a son who traded his mother's love for pride and gold. The first was born from long love, from baby to speak. Now he lives in the sun by the sun.
Wow, what an amazing performance! Let's give another big round of applause for our students!
That was truly wonderful, full of emotion, effort, and teamwork. Through the story of Maling Kundang, we learn that no matter how far we go or how successful we become, we should never forget where we come from, and we must always respect and love our parents.
I hope today's drama inspired all of us to stay humble, grateful, and kind. Just like how a child should always honor their parents' love.
Thank you everyone for watching and supporting our students today.
Thank you and have a wonderful day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.